Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to finish our Milestone project by including the update and delete statements. We've added the create book table, which creates our table if it doesn't exist already. We've inserted a new book into our table, and we've also looked at selecting all of the books from our table and returning them as dictionaries. Now, we've got two more functions, mark book as read and delete book. With our files, what these did was read the entire file, find the appropriate book, update it, and then save all the books back. With SQL, we can actually find the correct book by name on the database and update it in place, so we no longer need to get all the books, change one, and then save them all back. For that reason, I'm going to delete this save all books function, and that's a good reason why it had the underscore in the beginning. It was something that we wanted to use internally to make our interface work, but it wasn't something we wanted the app use. So that's why I had the underscore before, to mark it as sort of private, so that other parts of our program wouldn't want to use it too. To mark a book as read, you know how to do this now, because we have to initialize a connection, get a cursor, execute our update statement with a where clause that would where by the name, and then commit and close the connection. We don't even need to return anything or get any data out of the database in order to do this. I think you can implement this function on your own, so give it a go. I'm sure you managed to do that. We've just looked at the update, and all we have to do is again copy this boilerplate SQLite3.connect to data.db. Make sure to use the correct data file, get a cursor, then execute our SQL, and this is going to be update the books table, set the read to 1, where the name is equal to a question mark. Remember, you must not use f strings here, because that opens you up for potential SQL injection attacks. So what we're going to put here is a tuple of name. And notice that in order to make a tuple, we have to include the brackets, as well as the comma, in order to say this is a tuple